If you're feeling sluggish, struggling with energy crashes, or just know that you've been indulging in too much sugar lately, this video is for you. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of sugar detox. We'll explore why sugar is so addictive, how it affects our bodies, and most importantly, how you can cut sugar from your diet and feel amazing without feeling deprived. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to kickstart your sugar detox journey and experience all the benefits of a cleaner, healthier lifestyle. The impact of sugar on our bodies. Now, let's talk about why cutting sugar is so important. Sugar, especially the added kind, is often hidden in foods we don't even expect. From that morning coffee to your evening snack, sugar sneaks its way into everything, and it's doing more harm than we realize. First, sugar causes blood sugar spikes and crashes. Every time you consume sugar, your blood sugar levels rise rapidly, giving you that quick energy boost. But what goes up must come down. When your blood sugar crashes, you experience feelings of tiredness, irritability, and cravings for more sugar, creating a vicious cycle. Over time, this roller coaster can lead to more serious health issues like insulin resistance and, eventually, type 2 diabetes. But it doesn't stop there. Excess sugar also leads to weight gain because it's stored as fat when your body doesn't need it for energy. Not to mention, sugar promotes inflammation, which is linked to various chronic conditions like heart disease, joint pain, and digestive issues. And let's not forget about the brain. Sugar stimulates the release of dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. That means eating sugar makes you feel good in the moment, but over time, your brain starts craving more to get that same high. It's no surprise that sugar is so addictive. Signs you might be overdoing. Sugar. Now, how do you know if you're consuming too much sugar? Here are a few signs that your body might be telling you to cut back. Frequent cravings. If you're constantly craving sweets, it's a sign that your blood sugar levels are unstable. Energy crashes. You feel energized after eating sugar but crash soon after, leaving you feeling tired and lethargic. Weight gain. Excess sugar can contribute to weight gain, especially around the belly area. Skin issues. Sugar can trigger acne and other skin conditions by increasing inflammation in your body. Mood swings. That sugar high can leave you feeling anxious, irritable, or moody when it drops. If you're nodding along to any of these symptoms, it might be time to seriously consider a sugar detox. What happens when you cut sugar? So, what happens when you decide to detox from sugar? The first few days are going to be tough. Your body will be used to its daily sugar fix, and you might experience withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, or even cravings for sweets. But don't worry, these symptoms won't last long. Here's what happens as you keep pushing through. Day 1 to 3. This is when the cravings and withdrawal symptoms hit. Your body is adjusting to the lack of sugar, and it can be hard to resist the temptation. Drink plenty of water, stay busy, and focus on clean, healthy meals. Day 4 to 7. By the end of the first week, you may notice your energy levels are stabilizing, and the cravings are beginning to subside. You'll feel more focused and less dependent on those sugar highs and crashes. Week 2 to 4. At this point, you'll start feeling a lot better. Your digestion improves, you sleep better, and your energy is more consistent throughout the day. Start reading labels and look for hidden sugars like high-fructose corn syrup, agave, and cane sugar. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods wherever possible. So, there you have it. A sugar detox can seem challenging at first, but the benefits are well worth it. Remember, it's all about making gradual changes and being patient with yourself. As you continue on this journey, you'll start feeling better, more energized, and more in control of your health.